All right, good morning everybody from SEMA. I'm with Todd Andrews here, Superformance. Todd, can you tell us a little bit about this unique 30-year anniversary car?
Sure. Good morning everyone. Welcome to SEMA 23. Well, it's another year we're here, but this year we're celebrating something pretty special with our 30th anniversary of building the Mark III Superformance MKIII, we call it. We've been doing a lot of commemorative 10-year, 20-year, and in the past we've done different paint schemes and things like that have commemorated the car. This is a step above what we've ever done on the 30th. We've done some really special things with this car. One of the biggest things we've done is the collaboration with SEMA, Shelby American and Shelby Licensing, whereas we put the Superformance brand and tied it in with the addition of a Shelby car. So this car here is a Superformance MKIII, but it's the 30th anniversary Shelby edition. Therefore it carries all the Shelby badging as a CSX number. Comes with a Shelby MCO that actually has a CSX 10,000 series. This happens to be 10,002. So along with paint scheme, we've done something really cool. We actually changed the whole body mold and added what we're calling, it's a helmet diffuser. And it actually adds a lot of character to the styling of the car. The factory went so far as to actually redo the mold after they added the diffuser and made a functioning trunk without having to make it look like anything, I'll call it kit car. It's just very production oriented, works very well, looks very well. We've chosen some special paint schemes for them, along wide striping with pinstriping. We've got a very special interior in it. We've Alcantara, a combination of Alcantara and leather. We tied a little bit of GT40 into it with the rivets. Special gauges, and turn around real quick, that are actually have the Shelby logos in the tack and the Speedo along with this for the anniversary. Different from our custom series stuff, a little more elaborate gauges. Carbon fiber wheel, custom Jordan shifter made by Joe Caddick at Joe's Garage. We've added the MK3R rear diffuser and the front splitter on it, kind of tying in a couple of our models that we already have. Come around here. Forgot something on the interior, Alcantara dash with double stitching to follow the stitching and everything, as well as the inside of the car. We're using our new, newly designed 18-inch wheel, American Racing. It's a completely new design from our older design, which is on our other Mark III's and custom series cars. Car's also available with a lower profile window, Tom, or windshield, Tom, over there.
Oh yeah.
If you want to do the low profile, it's an option on the car. This is the standard MK3.
So this is just a very unique.
Very unique, yeah. One of 30.
Roller.
We're building 30 cars. I forgot to say that. We're only
Okay.
going to do one to 30 on the 30th anniversary to commemorate that. Like I said before, it will come with a Shelby MCO, which is very special. Tom, you can come around. We've got just to show some more of the badging. It does have the Shelby Superformance 30th anniversary. Side badges as well, horn badge. Powertrain of your choice. These happen to have the Godzilla 7.3s in them. Very well done to match the paint scheme of the car. That's a very good option for it. And but as usual, you can put whatever powertrain you want. This is one of the highly suggested powertrains. Lance Stander of our company loves this combination. So come down here and see us, and you'll see all the other great cars that we built.
Well, I just want to say a great job on helping design this car. This is very unique, and these will really hold value well. So come see us down at SEMA. We're in Central Hall, and thank you everyone for tuning in.
Cool.